Hello guys, so welcome to the coding channel once again, the decent coder guys. And guys, in today's video we are going to see some of the premium courses from Udemy which are made available for you for free guys. So I have applied the coupon codes and you will get the links in the description box, so you can directly click on those links and you can go and access these courses for free. So guys, let's start this video without wasting any further time. So guys, the first course which you are going to have today is the Oracle Solaris 11 System Administration Certification Test. So if you want to access this certification test course, basically it would be for the preparation of this exam. So if you want this course, there would be 4 practice tests available for you. So you can access this course for full lifetime and by clicking on the link given in the description box. So go and check out the link below. Course we are going to talk about is the YouTube SEO course, which is search engine optimization course. If you want to rank your YouTube videos, if you are a content creator, this would be a very helpful course for you. So you can check out that course and you can enroll and take the advantage of this course. The third course is the C# and Visual Studio Productivity Masterclass course. So if you want to grow your career in basically C# language, you can take the advantage of this course and you can go and enroll in this course. This is a 2.5 hours on-demand video course containing 26 articles, 1 downloadable resource, and all the courses I am going to tell you are with full lifetime access and are accessible on mobile and TV and all of these platforms, as well as you will get a certificate of completion for them for free. The next course is Make Money Online Mindset Training plus Real Life Examples. So guys, if you want to make money online using different techniques, like would be telling you about different platforms like the Blogger and all, in which you can grow ahead and you can create your own blogs and you can grow and you can make money online with real life examples as well. So guys, the next course is Diversity at Workplace. So if you want to position a business for success, hire a diverse workforce, so you can enroll in this course for free. And guys, 2 days are only left at this price, so don't waste for the time. Just go click on the below link and enroll in this course for free guys. The next course is PMP Practice Test, that is Project Management Professional Certification Exam course. So basically if you want to prepare for this exam, there would be 2 practice tests available for you, so you can check out the link below and go and enroll in this course for free guys. Next course is Complete Inventory Management in Microsoft Excel and Tally ERP 9. So if you want to basically know about this inventory stock control, inventory controls and Microsoft Excel inventory systems, so you can go and enroll in this course. It would be available for you for free, so you can just click on the below link. 2 days are left for this price. As soon as possible, go and enroll in this course for free guys. Next course we are going to talk about is the Android app UI design with Adobe Photoshop and Material Design course. Basically this course is going to soon enroll in 23 hours, so you can enroll in this course. This is also a very nice course with 5.5 hours on demand videos, 6 articles and all, and certificate of completion also for free. So you can go and enroll in this course. Check out other courses as well. Next course is MBA in Artificial Intelligence Digital Marketing course. So basically if you want to grow up in artificial intelligence domain, if you are really ambitious in this and you want to know about what is artificial intelligence, how does it work basically, so you can go and check out this course for free. 1 day is left at this price basically. And also guys, there is 1.5 hours on demand video with 1 article in this course. Next course is basically SQL Masterclass SQL for Data Analytics. Guys, if you want to basically learn about SQL language, if you want to do data analysis with this structured query language, basically PostgreSQL I think so is covered up here. You can check out this course. This is a beginner level course, 7.5 hours on demand video, 59 downloadable resources, 1 practice test and with full lifetime access. Go and check out this course for free. The last course for today is Smart Content Marketing Mastery 2021. So if you want to learn how to create great online content that convert and market your products and services successfully, you can check out this course. So guys, these were some of the premium courses for today. If you like this video, then please do share and subscribe to the channel guys. Check out other videos on my channel. I create videos on ethical hacking and coding tutorials, as well as I provide you with free certification courses as well. So guys, this was the video. Thank you guys, and let me see you in another video.